Hey there, welcome back to Ideal 3D Projects. Today we have these inserts that you can end up putting into your 3D printed projects to make them a lot stronger. And here's a kit with some bolts inside it that will get to fit with the inserts. If you go to use your hands to put these in, it does wiggle a lot and you can't get it completely vertically straight. And if you wiggle it too much, it ends up moving around too much material. So I designed a vertical press to be able to press these in a lot better. I'm using a regular solder iron with a couple attachments that come with it. These attachments really help to push the inserts into your part. You can find them on Amazon, and you can even find a vertical press on Amazon as well. So now if we move over to the sample piece, we can see that there's a huge gap in this front part here from mushing it around all over the place. I had done a first prototype and it didn't go too well, so there was some changes that we ended up making later on. One of the changes was moving to a hex instead of a circle to be able to limit the movement in the X and the Y axes. I used magnets to snap this together with. The model is almost all 3D printed except for this spring-loaded action here. Another modification was the height. It needed to be a lot taller, and you can tell that by the comparison in these next two clips. Next, we'll get to testing it. Let me get this turned on real quick, and we'll press some of these in. I like to grab these with the pliers because it does get really hot right away. I really do like that this stays vertical and that it doesn't pivot at all. Now we'll go to check to see if this is flush, and it looks like it did really well. So let's try a second one. And as you can tell that I'm having trouble with this one here, it is really hot. But there we have it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. If you haven't already, don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe. It really helps us out.